So last video we done role controller, role CRUD operation. But there is an big issue. The issue is that this hostel management system has branches. So we can do like that. First we will make a CRUD operation of branch category, and then we will create a branch because this has multi branch hostel management system. So you can use this in a production mode and also you can use this for our college. So let make PHP artisan make model branch category hyphen m. So open this in new tab, and also this is opening, and let's go on slash dashboard. After going dashboard, this is the role. Now click on this, and dollar table has string, and we will pass here category name, and dollar table integer, and pass here status by default 1. Okay, and format the document. Then we will go to the branch model and protected dollar table branch categories, and also protected dollar fillable has name. Also pass the status. Later we will change it. Okay. Now format the document and make a controller PHP or TSON make controller, and controller has a branch and admin has a branch category controller. That's perfect. Now let's do one thing. Uh, we will copy the whole role code because it is same. Just little bit we will change it. So paste it here. Now import the role control D and use capitalize. So control D, it select all and use here branch category. Perfect. Now in roles we will pass here branch underscore category. Category. This one is better. Remove this one, and from some places not because they're throwing the errors. So okay, this is perfect. Everything done. So remove this thing because this is branch categories, and this one is branch category. Sorry, this one not. Now we will go to web.php and create a route for that. Duplicate this one, and branch category controller, pass here branch underscore categories. Branch branch underscore categories. Perfect. Control S. Everything good. Now duplicate control and drag drop in a admin. So it not duplicate now. It has two copies. Delete this one and rename to branch categories. First click on the category and convert this role to category branch category branch category, and role as role. So we will change this to branch categories. Okay, now name and message and submit. And list go here role branch category, and name status and action. So we will use here branch category and pass here S and also here S, and this is branch categories. This is done. Now go to an update, and update we will change this to branch category and pass here branch category, but we will pass here S, and go to web and go to branch category controller and check this one category and category. Okay, that's perfect. Everything done. Now let clear this php artisan migrate. This is done. Now control P and go to sidebar, duplicate this one, duplicate it, and change to branch category and pass here branch categories. Perfect. Reload this, go to branch, sorry, this one. Oh, change it to its nav link, its UI basic. So change this to branch category, and this one branch. This one convert to roles. Perfect. Now reload again. Click on this one, add branch category and list branch category. So this is the list and click on add. So branch name is Multan and click on submit. It's loading. It's throwing the error is categories problem. So pass here categories. There is categories. Where is the problem? Categories. There is the problem. Change this categories. Perfect. Now reload again and continue. So it throw the error. So unless this is active, if you click on edit, it again throw the error because it is categories. So go to an update and pass here categories. There is that. Now reload is done. 1 2 3 submit. Perfect. Now delete this one. It is deleted. Edit the location or branch category. Branch category is for boys. Submit. That's perfect. Branch category crude is done. Next video we will do branch crude operation. So never miss the next video.